earn cryptos right here. Yes, you can now use Bybit as your forex broker. So on the Bybit homepage, click on more and you're going to see gold and FX. Okay, so you can see that right there. You click on it and you're going to see MT5, open MT5. So MT5 is the app used for trading forex and other commodities. So if you don't have it, go to your app store and download it. So once you click open MT5 account, you're going to see these terms and conditions. So ensure you read it. If you're okay with it, you click that you agree and you click on next and you are good to go. So it's going to ask you to provide a password you're going to be using to log into your MT5 account. So you generate or create a strong password for yourself. Okay, very strong, and make sure you save it. It's very important. Your password is your phone, so make sure you protect it. So I'm going to create a password for my new MT5 account. Okay, done. So I proceed to create MT5 account. Okay, so you're going to see an account ID generated for you, and you're going to copy it because you're going to need to use it to log into your MT5 account. So congratulations. Let's go over to MT5. So once you've downloaded MT5, so you're going to see this is MT5. So you click on quotes, get started, and you can now log in using the details from Bybit. So you click on add trading account. So you're going to search for your forex broker, which is now Bybit. Okay, so once you search for Bybit, you're going to see the company there. So you click to select it and you can now log in to your MetaTrader using the login details. So make sure you switch to Bybit Live because you're creating a live account. You can also create a demo account. We'll show you in other video. So you copy your account ID. That is the number you're going to see here after you created your account. So it is that ID now that you're going to use to log into your MetaTrader. Okay, so we're just going to enter it there. So that ID is what you're going to enter and log in, and then you enter your password. Okay, once you're done with that, you click on login. Make sure it is live. You select Bybit Live as your server, then you click on login. Once you do that, you have your Bybit forex account. Congratulations, you are good to go. So you can see right there, zero balance. So to deposit, all you have to do, go back to your Bybit, click on more and click on gold FX. So you can now see that you now have a Bybit MT5 account. Okay, so then you click on deposit if you don't have funds in your Bybit already. Okay, so if you don't know how to deposit into Bybit, we have another video on it. Check the description. So all you have to do, just click on transfer if you already have funds. So you transferring from your Bybit funding account to your MT5 account. So you enter the amount you want to transfer from your funding account and you click on confirm. So give it some minutes or seconds and refresh. So you can see right there, you now have funds in your MT5 account. So let's go back to MT5 to confirm this. Okay, so you click on trades. You can see there, congratulations, you are good to go. So you can go to your chart, analyze, go to quote. So let's say you want to add a pair. For those that don't already know how to add pairs and trade on MT5, so you click on that plus sign, you search for the pair you want to trade. Let's say BTC, you select it, you scroll down, you can see BTC there. See you on Telegram for more guide.